Okay, guys. Yeah, so this is the last video. Like I said in the other video, we're going to do this one in a separate video. So we could always come back to this video to see what we're trying to find out. Okay, so this is fix 100 1x, and already it's pushing down. There's a pending trade on that point. There's a pending sell trade. I initially took a buy, but I changed my bias along the line, cut my loss short, and I changed my bias along the line because I saw on a daily the market could come take this one off as a liquidity. So if you don't understand this liquidity thing, you may become the liquidity. You get where you are looking to enter market may change on you. So at this point, I'm seeing the market is somewhere around here. There's a little bit of or fair value gap on a daily here. If you notice, there's a little fair value gap zone on the daily here. Very tiny bit. So market is hopefully going to come down to that point. It may push down to that point. I don't know why I've not set this thing to the next day. Oh, it's not entering. It's fine. So market may push down to the next day here and give us a good sell, a good buy rather, a good point to enter. But let's see what the 4 hours is saying. Definitely 4 hours is trending, definitely. So we had market do this whole trend all the way from here. It broke structure, broke structure, broke structure, and now it's about breaking all that structure. So until we see a change of character, we are not taking this trade, right? So, and I think it's kind of presenting like a change of character. But until we see a change of character, we're not taking this trade. It will have to come down here. I'm looking at, because I've seen this before, I'm looking at market doing this whole push here, clear of this one, come down here, clear this, and probably do something like this, right? So, but however, um, we're to wait to see how the market presents itself. We're not to guess the market, or we're not to predict the market, but to wait to see what happens after it gets here. The structure it forms after it gets here to start buying, then we'll enter based on that structure. All right. So, but for now, um, that is it for this pair, and that is VIX 100 index. But you could still go down to a 1 hour because this trade, okay, I'll explain why I took this trade. I saw that after it got here, the second time when it was coming down to this point, I saw that this market is not yet bullish. It was still bearish because this point may now be the what do you call it? The other block where it's taking, because we have market break through this point, and this was the other block that broke through this low here, right? I'm gonna put the low. Yeah, yeah, this low. So market broke through this low to the downside. So it's probably going to come and collect this other block from here and keep going down. And that was what it did. So I saw this market somewhere around here. I wanted buying this market. I think I even tried to buy it. I bought it, not even that I wanted. I bought it when I saw something like this. I thought it was going to give me like a double top, double bottom to buy. So I bought it. But on the other hand, I just took it out because I didn't want to. It wasn't ready. Even if on 1 hour it was already trending bullish, but on 4 hours it wasn't ready to start trending bullish. So when I saw this push, so this looks like a star, and this closing below this middle range, middle point. So immediately I saw this push here, I took an entry, put my stop above this point, and that was it. So initially my TP is actually here. My TP was actually here initially, but I knew that this market is coming down to this daily fair value gap. So on the 4 hours now, if we are to look for a buy on this market, this is why I put this order block here. It has taken all this liquidity here now, right? And now there's a 4 hours order block here just at this point. So it may come down to the middle of that 4 hours order block, which is the same place where I put the target. So for those who say pending order, this may actually be the right time to place a pending order just at this point here, put your stop below this point. This may be a very good time to place a pending order and hold to this point, right? This is like your 1:10. You see what's happening here? This is like your 1:10 risk to reward. But it's not a financial advice. Like I keep saying, this is not a financial advice. I'm not advising you on how to use your money. So you just watch this. For me, I would prefer to wait to watch what happens, because market may decide to also use this as liquidity just to come into this area. Because if you look at a 4 hours, this point is close here, but this is also close by. So you may just come in and tap in on this area, just tap in and move out. But regardless, however it is, just let's see what happens. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens. So that is it for this pair, and that is it for what we're expecting for the week. And if you have a different bias, please let me know what you think on the comment section. Right? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys. See you guys on the next video. And please, once the market is going, I would also be posting updates on the market, on the prices, entries, the points that I entered, and all of that. So like this video, turn on your bell notification, and do where to subscribe. Check out my TikTok page, because I post most of the results and profits and also losses on my TikTok. Okay, so check it out, and see you guys during the week. Have a blessed week, by the way.